All right, my watch list for Tuesday for the chat room, CREE. Nice little breakout on Friday above this base here, and then on Monday just puts in kind of a quiet, narrow, lower volume day. So any kind of strength in that one on Tuesday might be a good long. KNDI, been watching this one for a while. It's looking better than it has. You had a high, basically 14 here, and then now you've got a lower high. Let me get this right. I should know these numbers. 1344, and then today's high, 1336. So what I'm looking to do is go long if it hits 1337 on Tuesday. Just simply a break of Monday's high, and then you've got this, what we like to look for stacked catalysts, okay? So if you get through Monday's high, you look just to the left, you've got the high from what would have been Thursday, and then you've got another recent high. And that's why when you see wedges, that's why they work, okay? Because you break a high and you look to the left, you're breaking another little higher spot of recent resistance and another. That's why wedges can be nice breakouts, okay? So you're kind of knocking down dominoes, if you will. And this one looks pretty darn good over Monday's high. So 1337 is my first catalyst. Another number to write down is 1345, and then it could make a move to and through this 14 number. So like KNDI a lot. Along those lines, Tesla, very strong today. Speaking of electric cars, I mean, a nice breakout today. So KNDI even more appealing now. May follow Tesla tomorrow. Not that they're the same type of car, but it doesn't really matter. CBI, another red day. This is starting to get interesting. You had a nice bounce here from the mid to from the 72.50 area, halfway between 70 and 75, and you're down like 5 days in a row to get there. So CBI goes on bounce watch. Remember, I only take these with a proper intraday setup. DNKN had this one on watch today, and I neglected to take the obvious long. The SPY was getting hit at the time and wasn't brave enough to go against it. In hindsight, it was in perfect support area, and I just botched it. I had a nice trading day anyway, but this would have added to it, and you can see DNKN closed at the highs of the day. So nice little tail and hammer candle at support. It's done really well, holding 44, so it could be up from there. So DNKN goes on watch. HA, Hawaiian Airlines, another red day today, but right at recent support. You had a couple tails back here, and you're just in a range, and now you're at the bottom of the range. So HA goes on bounce watch. SFUN, let me pan out a little bit here. This one's got nice support from this area. You can see from back here, and that's basically right around $9. I'll stop the line right there that it bounced off of back here, and again here, and a couple green days. So this one could be a nice long with a proper setup. SFUN, and just a glance at a few solars. SUNE, very nice volume, nice pop. It looks like it might want to bust through 22. So that one's on watch. And just to show you some other strength in some other solars, First Solar, SCTY, Solar City. This one looks good over recent highs. GTAT looking good. And you can see the breakout in SPWR into new territory today, so new high territory. So keep your eye on the solars again tomorrow. And then one lower price stock that's kind of interesting, but you have to squint to see it. EGHT, I'll pan in a little bit here. It's kind of broken the downtrend recently. You can kind of picture it here, but it's really just going sideways ever since. But I'm not drawing these lines very well. It is trying to sneak out of about a 6-7 day base. The high back here was 713 today. Today it took that out, went to 717 and closed pretty much near its highs. This one though, I mean, I like to focus on stocks that are really in play and have recent news. And this one's just kind of quietly breaking to the upside. So to me, I like that less as a day trader. Okay. But the list I've given so far, CREE, KNDI, CBI, DNKN, HA, SFUN, SUNE, and maybe even Solar City, SCTY, all look pretty darn good to me, and hopefully we'll catch some nice trades in them on Tuesday. All right, we'll talk to you Tuesday night.